Hello, good evening. My name is Eligible James, and my ID student is 2025432726. And today I will make a video presentation about the fruits and seeds development in chapter 1.3, plant morphology and anatomy. Let me tell you a little bit about my video presentation. I will tell you the introduction. A fruit development from a mature ovary serving the vital biological function of protecting enclosed seed and facilitating their dispersal via wind or animal. While most fruit result from the fertilization of ovules, seedless varieties can be produced through a process called parthenocarpy, with fruit development in the absence of fertilization. In this slide, this is a type of fruit. There was four type of fruit here. Simple fruit is developed from the ovary of a single flower and either fleshy like juicy plum and peaches. And second one is multiply fruit developed from inflorescence, which is a cluster of many separate flowers. And the third one is aggregate fruit developed from a single flower with numerous separate ovary, or we can call it carpel. And lastly is false fruit, fruits that is not formed from the ovaries but from different part of the flower. In this page, I will explain a seed structure. A seed is a mature oval that serves as a primary sexual reproductive unit of a plant, containing all the genetic information necessary to develop into a new individual. Each seed consists of three fundamental parts: an embryo, storage reserve tissue to provide energy, and a protective outer covering called the seed coat. By housing this component in a durable structure, the seed ensures the survival of the plant upstream during the dispersal and dormancy. Here the seed component: embryo, a miniature plant which will grow when conditions are favorable. In the sperm, build in the food supply for the plant. Seed coat, hard outer covering, protect the seed from disease and insect. Another part of the seed also include the cotyledon specialized seed leaf. Epicotyle is a tiny shoot from which the entire plant shoot system develops. Hypocotyle is a germinating seedling stem, normally found underneath the seed leaf but above the root. Radicle give rise to the primary root of the seedling, and plumule form the shoot system of the plant. In this page, is about the seed development. There was a three psychological stage of development recognized in most seed. These include histodifferentiation, embryo differentiation, rapid increase in seed size due predominantly to the cell division, cell expansion, large increase in seed size for deposition of food reserve, and maturing drying, dramatic loss in seed fresh wet due to water loss. Here is a germination type. They have a apical emergence and hypogal emergence. Transition into seedling. A seed is a biological package containing a dormant embryo that is shielded by a protective seed coat and fueled by a built-in food supply called the endosperm. Upon germinating, the embryo utilizes various specialized paths to establish itself. The reticle emerges first to become the primary root, while the plumule and epicotyle develop into the plant stem and leaf. Supporting this process are the cotyledon and the hypocotyle, which work together to either push the embryo above the cell or occur it below depending on the plant species. So in conclusion, the development of fruit and seed is highly specialized evolutionary process where the mature ovary and the mature oval work in tandem to ensure plant net survive and dispersal. Fruit serve as protective vessel ranging from simple fleshy type to complete multiply fruit and can even develop without fertilization through parthenocarpy within this fruit. Seed act as biological package containing a dormant embryo, a protective seed coat, and energy reserve like in the sperm or cotyledon. The cycle concludes with germination, where the plant employ either apical or hypogal immersion to transition the embryo into a self-sustaining seedling, effectively bridging the gap between generations. Uh, um, that was all my video presentation. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. That's all from me. Thank you.